Hello everybody, Anuja this side, founder at Dubverse. So glad that Google is doing this to help early stage founders. We were also a part of Google Accelerator early this year, and that really has accelerated our journey. A little more about myself. I come from a small town near the national capital of India, born and brought up there, and we've always lived this dual language life in a certain way, where we all go to English medium schools, but when we come back home, we are talking in Hindi, we meet our relatives, it's always a different language that's more commonly accepted. From there on, then I came to Delhi, been in the startup ecosystem for about a decade now, have worked in team sizes of as small as 50 to 3,000. My last stint was with Freshworks, where we were building product out of India for the world, and that really motivated me to start something and build something which can really bring about a change at a global level. And with Dubverse, the most interesting part has been to work with languages. Dubverse came about during COVID when everything was going digital. Education was primarily going digital, but for every last child to get that education, it's not possible just to be able to do it in English. That's where the idea of Dubverse was born, that if you have to break this language barrier from an educational lens, how can we incorporate more technology and bring about this change at scale? We started that. We were fortunate to work with a lot of different size of companies again, but while being at it, we realized that the market is way bigger, the problem that we're solving is way bigger, and a lot of other video content is being created which needs to be democratized from a language standpoint. Last biggest milestone in a certain way has been us launching the product this year, early January, to the public, for anybody to access. And from then to now, we've been able to hit 500,000 users on the platform with very little amount of marketing and a lot of word of mouth, where we get users across all the count of countries where McDonald's is presented. The major milestone that we are looking at is producing 10 million videos in the next 6 months from Dubverse, which are distributed on multiple of these platforms. What that will do in return for us is give us a huge amount of data for our AI ML to become better and for us to keep producing better and better content. Then capital and compute will really accelerate that help from Google that we've been receiving over these months already. Another very important aspect is the YouTube multi-audio track. I believe that we want to be the preferred partner for YouTube when they launch in India at scale for the multi-audio track, and we are already working with some of these creators and producing a lot of content for them. And once that happens, I would say we are ready, YouTube is ready, and it can be a win-win for us. Thanks a lot. Looking forward to meeting all of you.